Every day, people wasting hours manually reading invoices, forms, PDFs, and scanned documents. Copy-paste typing, checking errors again and again is very hectic task. Every organization today is drowning in documents, PDFs, scanned forms, invoices, certificates, emails. Humans still read them manually. Copy-paste, verify, correct, and repeat. This is slow. This is expensive, and this is where most automation project fails. Stop wasting time reading document manually. What if document could understand themselves? What if one system could extract text, understand meaning, apply logic, and give structured data automatically? That is exactly why Document Field Extractor was built. Document Field Extractor automatically reads PDFs and images, extract key fields using AI and OCR, and give you clean Excel or JSON output all on your own system. No cloud, no limits, full control. This is Document Field Extractor. Document Field Extractor works with PDF images, scanned files, even handwritten documents. Behind the scenes, Document Field Extractor combines OCR, AI model like ChatGPT, custom rules, and Regex logic, all working together to extract the exact field you need. If you want fully offline processing with custom rules, DFA support that too. You can process one file or thousands of files in batch, generate Excel, CSV, JSON, or searchable PDFs, and even track every document using a built-in tracker system. The best part, your data never leaves your system. No cloud upload, no third-party storage, and no per document cost. DFA is built fully for individual, business, enterprises, and automation team who want speed, accuracy, and full control over their documents. I have combined all the DFA use case and use guide in this video. This is going to be a long session covering all the use case of DFA. Either original document processing, OCR output, Google OCR and Tesseract usage, ChatGPT based field extraction, rule based and custom logic, final structure output, debugging the AI extractions error, understanding OCR limitation, and how we can trust on this too. It includes all the documents type, invoices, forms, KYC, document AI workflows.